Shame on you, Dell. Shame on you, Microsoft. I trusted you both, and you both betrayed me in small ways, but you shouldn't have done that to me. You really shouldn't. So now I'm going to tell anyone who will watch this, anyone who will listen, about your little deceivery, your little trickery, so that perhaps they don't fall for the same mischievousness. Kim Townsel here. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share this video if you know someone else who might fall for such trickery from Microsoft and or Dell. The directions say to create a recovery drive and to type in the search for recovery drive, which I did. So I'm going to say yes, because we really don't have many choices, do we? Even if your PC can't start, you can use a recovery drive to reset it or troubleshoot problems. If you back up system files to this drive, you'll be able to use it to reinstall Windows. So yeah, I guess we want to do that. Nowhere in the directions did it tell me that I was going to need a 16 gigabyte USB flash drive and that everything on the drive was going to be deleted. Now, I don't happen to just have one handy to do this with. Annoying. Nowhere on here about creating a recovery drive does it tell you that you will need a 16 gigabyte flash drive. Nowhere. I don't even see it in secret code. So, off to Walmart for the third time today. Let's try this again now that I have a 16 gig flash drive. Even if your PC can't start, you can use a recovery drive to reset it or troubleshoot problems. If you back up system files to this drive, you'll also be able to reinstall Windows. So, yes. And I'm now the proud owner of 2 more 16 gig flash drives. Would have been nice to be able to get one of these on one of my earlier trips to the store today. That's okay. I can drive. I had a car that started. I had gas in my car. Didn't get a tire blowout. Didn't get robbed. Everything else is working fine. I've had a blizzard today. So all is good. It would be really nice when you bought a computer if it came with this, because didn't they used to come with backup drives? Didn't they used to come with backup CDs or DVDs? And like, really, when you're buying a laptop, how much trouble is it for them just to do this for you? Is there a reason that I'm missing why they can't provide this for you? And just my take, if you're buying a flash drive, you want to get one that doesn't have like the little cap that comes off, because you're just going to lose it, right? I've always purchased the retractable type. It's just one less piece to lose. It's going to be safer. Yes, that would be good information at the beginning. The drive must be able to hold 16 gig and everything on the drive will be deleted. Alright. And we're in business. So far in real time, this has taken over 3 minutes. Just so you know. I'm not going to keep filming this. It did not let me label it. It's giving me another warning. Everything on the drive will be deleted. If you have any personal files on this drive, make sure you've backed up the files. Well, it's a little too late for that now, isn't it? I think this is going to take a while, so I'm going to stop filming. It is now 10:06. Of course, as soon as I stopped filming, it gave me this message. The drive must be able to hold available drives, no labels. I guess I'll label it. And after almost an hour, I get this for no reason. An hour. I guess we'll install these now. Yay! It took it a little over an hour, but now I do have a recovery drive. So just know it may take you a couple hours to make this recovery drive, or it did me. Well, that was a fun 2 hours. I'm tired and ready to go to bed. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video if appropriate. Let's make each other smarter. Bye. And watch one of these videos. Thanks a bunch. This is the first video on the new laptop. Testing it to see how well it works. Doesn't look very clear from my end.